What's going on, everybody? Evan here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing. My truck, as you can see, is absolutely filthy behind me here. What we're doing today is we're comparing the garden hose foam cannon with the pressure washer foam cannon. I'm gonna have a link below in the caption for a cheap pressure washer, the little cheap green one that we use. I'm gonna make sure that I put that link down below. It's like 150 bucks on Amazon. I'll get you guys those links. Click those below. And then we're going to show you our garden hose foam cannon and our regular foam cannon. Both of them are available on GoShineOn.com/shop. And we're going to show you how to use, we showed you how to use the garden hose foam cannon in a previous video. And we showed you how to use a regular foam cannon in a previous video. This video right here is strictly to just compare the foam in both of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to foam down the back half of the truck with the garden hose foam cannon. And we're going to foam down the front half of the truck with the regular foam cannon with the pressure washer. So come on with me and check this out. I'll show you how each one of them performs. So now, as you can see here, the foam cannon one up front, the regular pressure washer foam cannon, the soap is still stuck to it really good. And back here, from here back, you can see that the garden hose foam cannon is starting to wear out. So if you have the money and the resources, invest in a cheap pressure washer, get yourself a regular foam cannon. And if you don't, garden hose foam cannon will also work. Both of these will get it clean. And especially if you're mitting and actually hand washing, it'll really help a lot and it'll get it clean. I'm gonna rinse this all off before it dries, but I just wanted you guys to see real quick, you can actually see the difference. So as you saw, all we did was use the two different types of foam cannons. I didn't hand mitt anything like I normally would in all my other videos, but all we did was just did a quick rinse off. It's snowing and blowing outside. I'm gonna be driving right back in it on my way home today. But I just wanted to get the fresh stuff off so I can put new stuff on. It's better to get this stuff off than to just leave it sit for weeks at a time, especially if you're washing at home. Just give it a quick wash and rinse, and you're gonna be so much happier come spring. You're not going to have to do a whole lot of clay pads. And you're not going to have to do a whole lot of buffing to get all that winter stuff off. Just maintain all winter long and you'll be so much happier and you'll thank me for it later. But I hope you guys found this video informational. I hope you guys saw the difference between the garden hose foam cannon and the regular foam cannon. Click that subscribe button down below. Thanks for stopping by. Of course, both of these items are available on GoShineOn.com/shop. I hope you guys like all these videos. Drop a comment below. And let me know what other videos, products, polishing, whatever. Drop your comments on what you'd like to see us do some videos on. I'm going to try and keep these videos rolling and try to keep putting out as much info as I can. Hit me up. We want to help you out. Thanks for watching.